Creating a website with the content management system. Content management systems CMS are a bit more complicated, even though they essentially work the same way as a website builder. They are far more difficult to use. With the website builder, not only can you add simple content like text and images, but you can also design an entire website. A classic content management system would be much more limited in this case, and far as appearance goes, you are limited to template available. While there are plenty of systems like Jomila, Drupal, and Typo 3 will focus on the most popular CMS, which is WordPress. Thanks to hosting companies that offer a one click install, it is not difficult to set up. Remo- Recommendable ones are DreamHost, extremely affordable, SiteGround, a bit more expensive but super powerful, and Bluehost, popular choice with 24 by 7 support. Learn more about which website companies we are recommended for WordPress here. You can also install a template easily and adjust it with the design options. But if there is something you do not like, you will probably have to modify the CSS or HTML. You are a programmer. The hosting domain, email address, installation, and level of support you choose will depend on how much you want to spend and your technical knowledge. It can be quite cheap if you do it self. Take a look at our pricing guide for typical website projects here. Of course, that may not always be the ideal solution, especially when you are busy running a business. In this case, you can also try to hire a web designer who can help you set up a WordPress website. For example, an enormous advantage, especially for WordPress, is that you have thousands of plugins that let you add special features to your website that are not initially included. A typical example would be WooCommerce, a plugin that adds a complete online store. By default, WordPress is designed to be in a single language, but there are plugins like WPML that let you translate the page. Another of my favorites is the Yoast SEO plugin, which lets you change the search engine settings, example to rank higher on Google. In our introductory video, we take a look at what you need to consider if you are setting up WordPress.